going on, everyone? Ranch. On this episode of Hardsincigars, we got the Liga Privada Ratzilla. Check that sweet piece out. Man, that is looking mighty sexy. If you're new to the channel, once you get on there, hit that subscribe button. If you're returning, well, man, welcome. Welcome back. 6 1/4 by 46 Vitola. It's got this caramel nuttiness. I mean, real nice looking cigar. Same off the foot. Kind of like a pressed little cap on the back. Little flap. At the store today, I got a little Lotus cutter. It's got the back on there, so might not do good with this, but let's see. Yeah, we're gonna have to just tap that off. See how the new cutter did right there. I can't complain. That is looking it's looking mighty fine, mighty sharp. So what do we know about this? Let's put this down. What do we know here? Okay, this features a Connecticut River Valley stalk cut and cured sun-grown Habano wrapper, a plantation-grown Brazilian Metafina binder, Nicaraguan and Honduran fillers. Comes in a 10-count box, looking about national average somewhere like $154.50. So, sounds pretty nice. Prost. See what we get off the cold draw. Kind of salty. Earthy. Let's go ahead and toast this up. You got a beer, you got a cigar, party liquor, light them up, fix a drink, hang out with me for a little while. Ah, that is looking nice. Got a beautiful burn on there. Oh yeah, no need to touch that up. A little dry on the throat. Bit of sharpness. Light leather. Not bad. Kind of smoothed out. Got a new ring today. Rocking the skull, black skull pinky ring. So, those who've been watching know that I've been doing a bathroom remodel. Crazy shit. I'm almost done, man. I'm almost done. Well, that's some decorative type shit. So, wake up this morning. Wife took care of me a little. She said, there's something in the closet for you. I go open up a box. Oh, god damn. What is that? I hear someone in the background. What was that? Milk and Cookies, baby, by Ezra Zion. Ezra fucking Zion, Milk and Cookies. That was a little thank you gift from the lady for hooking the bathroom up. And that is what I am talking about. That's a job well done. Thank you very much, babe. Kind of earthy coming in. Yeah, dark earth tones. Smooth on the smoke. Not too long on the draw. Let's get a little. Fucking ash horse will be getting fucking nice and hard right now. Looking at that. Razor sharp burn all the way around. Ash, beautiful white. Holding strong. Knock on wood. Some people might be saying, holy shit, Wrench, you got some black shades on, dude. You get Oakleys? No, I didn't get Oakleys. Couldn't stomach getting them Oakleys again and losing them, you know. But that's what happens, you know, when you partying with these college kids. You going fucking tit for tat, showing them up. Next day, all hungover as a motherfucker and losing glasses. So I was at Marshall's today. Bought some Timberlands. They were $10, dude. You know. Every once in a while, I got some good deals there. But getting back to this cigar, that first third, not a lot of stuff going on with the flavors. I had some really nice woodsy caramel with some underlying sweetness. Oil is picking up. Super smooth on the smoke. Super smooth. Not crazy thick, but it is thicker. Nice texture of the smoke. I'd really like to see it get a little bit more creamier. That would set it really, really nice. But smooth. Really, really smooth. This is the first time I ever had the Ratzilla, but super fucking smooth. Really, really nice. Right now I put it like a medium plus. Definite medium plus. The flavors are at about a medium. Man, cannot complain. And today, it's a little darker out right now. I wanted to do something a little bit earlier, but crazy fucking windy out here today. I mean, we had like gale force fucking winds out here, but beautiful. I mean, I think we hit like low 80s today. Is the first time we hit as warm as we did, but the breeze was warm. And I mean, I'm talking about, like, when I say beautiful day, I'm talking about being like 14 years old, sitting on a couch, you know, Baywatch is coming on, and Pamela Anderson's like strutting her shit out of the water, hair all wet, kind of blowing in the breeze, titties just boom, 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 boom. That kind of beautiful day where you're just like, God damn, it is good, you know. Spent the day with the wife. We bummed around, shopping, returning. You know, got the brother-in-law a gift, a couple of gifts, because it's his birthday tomorrow, and we're gonna be hosting it at the house. I forgot to say, it does have a slight tight roll to it, where the draw isn't effortless. You got to put a little effort into it, but it's not restricted by any means. You know, and I'm thinking about, you know, the other day I was watching a video, vintage cigar, I believe. I could be mistaken. I'll put a link in the bottom. But he was doing cigars for beginners. Had a lot of good stuff. Tu Fuente, Grand Reserve, which is a really beautiful smoke. Beautiful smoke. And then if you could get it like a Monte Cristo Cuban, I think a Cuban for like a beginner, unless you got like a perfect draw or you get a shitty one, you know, I mean, with bad construction, I think that would kind of just fuck your whole first experience up. Prost. You know, I was thinking about like first cigars, you know. I hear people talking like, we'll do a Connecticut. I've had some strong as fuck Connecticut's. You know, or I think if I had somebody that was like, man, you know, I want to smoke a cigar for the first time, I'd sit them down, get them a nice meal, eat a nice meal, and I think I'd just have them dish it out, put some money into that motherfucker, and get like a Padron or this Ratzilla, and that $20 gift card I got from that member at my job for finding them AirPods. I spent it on this. It was like, I think it was like $18. So I spent that on this. And I was thinking about the smoked fish, and then I hadn't done nothing with it. And I was like, oh, fuck, I'll get this. Sometimes I like to treat myself to a premium cigar. But I think for a beginner, I think get your fucking self a big ass meal, get it in you, grab some nice cocktails, grab a Padron or like a Liga Privada Ratzilla, something fabulous that you know is going to smoke good, be smooth. Yeah, it might be strong for your first time, but man, get something with some consistency, some real smooth flavors, not harsh smoke, nothing, man. Just get yourself into something like this. Or a nice Tatuaje. I think the Miami's a really good one. But that's my thoughts. I mean, who the fuck am I? I'm just a fucking badass dude doing cigar reviews for you guys, telling you what I think of these cigars. And telling you my opinion. You know? That's just me. It's nice though. I mean, like being done with most of my projects around here. Finally got some time to shoot some cigars out, ship them out to some people. I just feel like I've been so far behind on just simple life tasks. There's been a definite undertone of earthy notes. Dark and rich earth tones that are coming through here. Still nice amount of oil. And what was crazy is the wind's died down a little now. It's still kind of breezy. I can't quite catch the aroma of this, but man, I don't know how that ash sticking on back. Burns pretty good, a little wonk right there, but for the most part is good. Still kept a lot of those heavy earth tones. That sweetness died off. Still pretty oily. Did go out on me once, but that was because I rolled in the house, had to relight her up. Man, man, super smooth, super consistent. Burn really good. Ash was holding on in about, I'd say, like 2-inch increments. So that was really nice. Draw getting a little bit tighter now towards the end here. Man, I put solid 8 out of 10, 8 out of 10 stick. Solid. Really good smoke. Definitely recommend to go out and get one if you haven't smoked it. So till next time, get on there, hit that subscribe button. Thanks for watching. Till we meet again. Prost.